Hello crafters and welcome back to Craft Kala. So today we'll make a card for rakshabandhan. For that, take a black sheet of paper, fold into half and make two cuts as I have done. After making it, just fold it as I have done. Then again make two cuts on the cut portion and fold them. It will give a 3D look. Then again close it and make two cuts. Now open it and fold them. This folding will give a 3D look to it, and it's done. Now take a design paper of your choice and paste it over the black card. Here I have chosen a floral design. You can choose any of your choice. Now take a white paper and cut into square shape and write your message on it. Here I have written Happy Rakshabandhan Bhai. You can write any of your choice, a wish or a message or anything you wish, and paste them as I am doing in the video. Paste it. Now this will be your final look, and now we are done. Now after pasting them, just close the card and take a ribbon and tie a knot. While tying a knot, remember to make a bow shape of the knot. This will give your card a more aesthetic look. And when you are done with tying the knot, just make a V-shaped cut at the end of the ribbon, which will give it a proper shape. And at last, just paste a tag. I have written Bhai. You can write any of your choice word. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Craft Kala. Thank you.